Hey, good morning. Smiles. My name is John.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Emma. Waves. Nice to meet you all.
So today, we are going to talk about something very simple, but very important.
Yes, something everyone does every single day.
Our daily routine.
Laughs softly. Yes, exactly. What we do from morning to night.
I think this is a great topic for beginners.
Yeah, because you can talk about your life in simple English.
And also, it helps you speak more naturally.
Right, so, John, tell me, what time do you wake up?
Thinks. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Oh, wow, that's early.
Laughs. Yeah, I try to wake up early, but sometimes I feel very lazy.
Same here. Laughs. I set my alarm for 6, but I often wake up at 6:30 or even 7.
Do you use your phone alarm?
Yes, I do. And sometimes I press snooze too many times.
Laughs. Oh yeah, snooze is dangerous.
Very dangerous. It feels good for a few minutes, but then you feel rushed.
Exactly. So, after you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I sit on my bed for a minute. I don't jump up quickly.
Same here. I need a little time to wake up.
Then, I check my phone.
Smiles. Social media?
Yes, a little bit. Messages, notifications, you know.
I try not to check my phone, but honestly, I do it sometimes.
Laughs. It's hard not to.
After that, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, and wash my face.
Same routine. Very simple.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. I feel fresh after a shower.
Me too. If I don't shower, I feel sleepy all day.
Exactly. A shower wakes you up.
After that, I get dressed.
What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
If it's a work day, I wear something simple, a t-shirt and jeans.
Nice and comfortable.
Yeah, I don't like very tight or formal clothes every day.
Same. I like soft clothes. Easy to wear.
So, what about breakfast?
Oh, yes. Breakfast is important.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I drink coffee.
Coffee. Every day?
Laughs. Almost every day.
I drink coffee too. But sometimes I drink tea.
That's nice. Tea feels calm.
Yeah. And sometimes I skip breakfast if I'm late.
Oh, no. That's not good.
I know. I'm trying to improve.
Same here. I try to eat something small, at least.
After breakfast, I get ready for work.
Do you work from home or go outside?
I usually go outside.
Oh, okay. So you travel?
Yes. I drive my car, or sometimes take the bus.
How long does it take?
Around 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, it's okay. I listen to music while driving.
Oh, nice. What kind of music?
Mostly soft music. Sometimes pop.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you? Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home most days.
Lucky you. Laughs.
Laughs. It has good and bad sides.
Tell me more.
Well, I don't need to travel, so I save time.
That's great.
But sometimes I feel a little lonely.
Ah, I understand.
Yeah. No office friends. No small talk.
Small talk is important.
Yes, it makes the day more fun.
So, what time do you start work?
Around 9 a.m.
Same here.
I sit at my desk, open my laptop, and check emails.
Emails every morning.
Yes, so many emails. Laughs.
Laughs. I know that feeling.
Then I make a to-do list.
That's a good habit.
It helps me stay organized.
I try to make a list, but sometimes I forget.
You should try again. It really helps.
I will. Smiles.
So, what do you do during work?
I talk to people, attend meetings, and do my tasks.
Sounds busy.
Yeah, sometimes very busy.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take short breaks. Maybe every 2 hours.
That's good.
I drink water, walk a little, stretch my body.
Stretching is important.
Yes, especially if you sit a lot.
I also take breaks. I make tea or look outside the window.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. It helps my mind relax.
What about lunch?
I usually eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Same time.
What do you eat?
Sometimes rice and vegetables, sometimes a sandwich.
Nice. I like simple food too.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook at home most days.
That's great.
It's healthy and cheaper.
True. I eat outside sometimes, but I prefer home food.
Home food is always better.
After lunch, I feel sleepy.
Laughs. Me too.
It's hard to work after lunch,
Yes, I feel like taking a nap.
but we can't. Right?
Laughs. No, we can't.
So we continue working.
Yes, slowly, step by step.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5 or 6 p.m.
Same here.
After work, I feel tired.
Me too. Very tired.
So, what do you do in the evening?
I go for a walk sometimes.
That's nice.
Fresh air helps me relax.
Yes, walking is good for the body and mind.
Sometimes I go to the gym.
Oh, really? That's great.
Not every day, maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
That's still good. And
What about you?
I do light exercise at home.
Like yoga?
Yes, yoga and stretching.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. It helps me feel calm.
After that, what do you do?
I make dinner.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
That's nice.
It relaxes me. And I like trying new recipes.
I wish I could cook better.
You can learn. Start simple.
Maybe I will. Smiles.
After dinner, I watch TV or use my phone.
Same here. I watch videos or movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy. I like to laugh.
Me too. Life is better with laughter.
That sounds nice.
It helps me sleep better.
I also try to think about good things.
Like what?
Like what I did today, what I'm thankful for.
That's a beautiful habit.
Speak slowly and clearly.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's very important.
So, try this at home.
Talk about your daily routine in English,
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
step by step.
And soon, you will feel more confident.
Yes, little by little.
Smiles. Thanks for talking with me today, Emma.
Thank you too, John. It was fun.
And thank you everyone for listening.
We hope this helps you learn English easily.
See you next time. Bye, Vibes.